Tornado warning for northern Polk County. Shh. Northeast. That's good.
Exactly the charges are. President Trump tweeted and then deleted a post that included the alleged name of the anonymous whistleblower whose complaint led to Trump's impeachment. Just before midnight Friday, it disappeared from Trump's Twitter feed by Saturday morning. The White House offered no comment Saturday on the retweet or why it was removed. Trump has backed efforts to unmask the whistleblower, although doing so could violate whistleblower protection laws. Trump says he did nothing wrong and claims the whistleblower made up the details. The White House and other administration officials have corroborated many of the facts in the report. The KTTN special forecast is coming up.
Alert 4 by Somerset, Oklahoma.
Until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Polk, Missouri.
YouTube. Now, most amazing top 10. Top 10 scary dolls that attack their owners.
Highway 65 are under tornado watch until
A tornado warning for northern Polk County until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
and maybe some scattered
It's 6:57 p.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fairplay, or 10 miles west of Arlington, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Location of
Another news starts now from 94.7. Today's KTTS.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
There y'all go.
Avoid windows.
Camera, stop.